Stop wasting time. Bulk upload products to Walmart in minutes. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Now, before I show you how to do it, I did want to let you know that Walmart does have a free tutorial on how to do this. Just type into Google, add items in bulk, full setup Walmart. Then this is going to show up, and then they're going to have like a little tutorial for you for free on how to do it. And it even has like a little GIF here and stuff like that. But I'm gonna actually show you how to do it. Okay, so first you're gonna log into seller.walmart.com. You're gonna go to your catalog. Once you're in your catalog, you're simply going to click add items, and then there's going to be a bulk upload button, upload in bulk right here. We're gonna click on that, and then we can start uploading our items in bulk. Now they're gonna give you three options: create new items, match Walmart's catalog, and then make a WFS multi-box. I need to figure out what this third one is, but these two are how to create the upload in bulk, right? So this is one, we're gonna do match Walmart's catalog first. I'm gonna show you multiple ways to do this, and then I'm gonna show you this one at the end. So match the catalog, you're just gonna do this, download the file, and now we're gonna open up this file. Okay, so here is what the file looks like, and match Walmart's catalog. This is the file. You're gonna put the SKU, the product ID type, the product ID, the selling price, and the shipping weight. That's it. That's how you're going to do it, right? So I can put like new card, and I'm gonna put the product ID type. So usually you're gonna get the GTIN. You're gonna put the product ID, the selling price. Let's put the selling price at $29.99. And the shipping weight. In weight in pounds, only 3 digits maximum allowed. So 0.2. There you go. And now the product ID, which is going to be the GTIN. Now, if we already know what the product is, we can easily get the GTIN. So we can look on Walmart. So let's look on Walmart together. So let's say I wanted to sell this product. Okay, so I'm searching Walmart, and I found these Bandai One Piece trading card game, and I wanna sell this product, right? So I can copy the item ID, which is at the end usually. See, there's like a number, and then you can go back to Walmart. You're gonna go back to add items, and then you're gonna type in the item ID right here. Once you do that, you're gonna click search, and then it's gonna give you the GTIN right here. So now we're gonna open back up our handy dandy sheet, and bada bing, there's the GTIN. And we're just gonna triple check that's correct. Yep, that's correct. Now you're gonna say, now you can add another product, right? Let's say we wanted to add another product. I have another one right here. So you can add another product if you wanted, and kind of just go down here. All you have to do is the required, everything else is optional. After that, you save it. You're gonna exit out. You're gonna come back to the bulk upload in bulk tab, and then we're going to click browse, and then we're gonna upload that sheet that we downloaded. After that, you're going to upload it, and then let me show you what it looks like. So now I went back to catalog, and then I can see the game is right here. So it was uploaded successfully, seller fulfilled. If I want to change it to Walmart fulfilled, I can go to fulfill with WFS, but you can see it is the same item, and there you go. It was created, and it does take a very short amount of time for Walmart to create it. So it works very well. I'm going to show you one more way to do it that's faster than an Excel spreadsheet. So if you didn't want to use an Excel spreadsheet, right, you don't want to do, because sometimes it's a little bit confusing, then you can just put the item ID in here. So we did that already. So we found, let's say we had an item. Oh my goodness, I want to sell this item. We're going to put this in here. And now we're just going to click the add button right here. Now let's pretend we have a second item that we want to sell. Let's find another item. Let's say we're searching Walmart, and we're like, oh, I want to also sell a second item. So we're also going to put that into here. So here's another item ID that we got. We're going to click search. And then here is a separate item. One's a box of these cards and one's just a pack. So I'm like, oh, I want to sell the packs too. So I click add. Now I added them. So you can see added items to. And now you can just click next and create them both at the same time. And this one, it's a lot cleaner. So let me show you what it looks like. So you can put in the SKU, the sell price, the shipping weight and stuff like that and submit it. And now it looks a lot cleaner compared to doing it from scratch with an Excel spreadsheet. But those are the 2 steps. And now let's go through creating a brand new item. So we're going to go back. If the item's not on Walmart or you want to create a brand new item, again, we're going to go back and we're going to go to upload in bulk. And then we're going to click create new items. Custom spreadsheet of new items. Now you need to figure out the category ahead of time. So let's say we're selling stuff for animals and it is automatic pet feeders. And now we're going to download the file. I recommend just start out with seller fulfilled and then you can always convert it to Walmart fulfilled. But start out with seller fulfilled and then you're going to download that file. We're going to upload it and then fill that one out together as well. Now here's this file right here. So we've got, it's a lot more. So you need to fill out everything in green and everything in blue. The orange does not need to be filled out, or the dark blue or the gray. So it's just going to be this. So just put the SKU in, new animal, so it's an animal feeder. Product type, automatic pet feeders. That's the only one that we're allowed to pick because that's what we picked when we downloaded the document. Again, product ID type, and then you're going to put the GTIN, or if you wanted to use, if you have a UPC code, you can put the UPC code, right? Just type that in there. Put the product name, and I recommend you just do something short and sweet. You can always update it. Brand name, if you do have a trademark, this is your time to put that trademark in there. Selling price, shipping weight, site description 2. Again, short and sweet if you're doing a bulk upload, because you can just manually change it later if you want. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. It's going to be the main image URL. So you need to have like a website and copy the website URL from there. So let's say I was selling I know this isn't a pet feeder, but if I was selling this item, a Hickaway, right? You can copy the image address if it lets you. Let's see if it lets us copy the image. This one doesn't. Let me just double check. All right, so I typed in animal pet feeder and then I found one, this, I don't know, chow hound. So if it says copy image address, you can copy it. And then you're gonna go back to the sheet and then right click and then paste the image address. Now the image URL, it's saying that it must be in .jpg format. They must link to a public image file. So this is the hard part. If you don't have this, then you might want to do it manually instead of a bulk upload. But you can get this, or you can just have the wrong image and just change it later, right? And then once you're done this, what you're going to do is go to the prop. Let me make this a little smaller. The prop image warning required. No, the animal type, dog. And it has like a little examples here so you don't mess up. Measurements, 16, let's see. Example 5, look at it's saying the depth of the fully, note this information on the item page as length of the product. Okay. So this one's length. And then the unit, this item is shown as length of the product, inches. So you can do like inches. There you go. And then you can do, again, this one's probably going to be width. No, this is height. Condition, has a warranty. No, material, plastic, unit, case, measure. This one is the last one. And then you save this, and then you're going to go back here, go back, and then you're simply going to upload it in the same place. So you're going to browse it, upload it, and then it should show. Now, if it doesn't show, if you waited an hour and it's still not showing the listing after you do the bulk upload or even the match with Walmart's catalog, what I want you to do is you need to get the activity ID So you're going to go to your activity feed, and then you're going to copy the activity feed ID because it's going to be showing on the activity feed. So you're going to copy the activity feed ID, and then you're going to contact Walmart, and you're going to give them that feed ID, and you're also going to send them the spreadsheet so that way they can double check what you did wrong, so that, or they can push it through if it was just a Walmart error. But that's pretty much the step-by-step process on doing the bulk uploads. You saw the ways with the Excel spreadsheet or the easier ways, and see what works for you. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you like Walmart compared to Amazon. Is Walmart better? Is it worse? What's your thoughts? If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we're going to fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, creating listings, designing your listings, optimizing them, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to create a listing. Save time, money, and increase sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.